all the body work's done, all the welding's done. We want to primer it red, which is a base color for the color of the car, which is going to be burgundy. Put that on. I'm ready to scuff it with 400 and start the painting process. Once the painting process is done, base coat and clear, then we're going to send it out and get the headliner put in it, because the headliner is the next step to get the glass in. And then after that, put the interior, the motor, hook up the ignition, some sort of an exhaust system on it, and let's think about getting it moving under its own power by springtime, I hope.